Hello friends, I'm here to read you some more Elephant and Piggy books written and illustrated by Willems. Our first one today is called There Is a Bird on Your Head. A little bird is coming. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Oh my goodness, where did the birds go? Right onto Piggy's head instead. Oh my goodness. All right, our other book for today is called My New Friend Is So Fun. Hi, Gerald. Hi, Snake. Have you seen Piggy? Piggy just met Brian Bat for the first time. Now they are playing. Fun. Brian Bat is nice. I know. Brian is my best friend. Piggy is my best friend. Both Piggy and Brian are so nice. They must be having a really fun time. Yeah. They must be having a... Oh, no. What if they're having too much fun? How can they have too much fun? They could be having more fun than they have with us. More fun? Much more fun. Much more fun? If they are having that much fun together, then maybe they do not need us. I don't know want to lose my best friend. I do not want to lose my best friend. We must do something. We must tell them to stop having fun. Piggy! Brian! Oh, hi, Gerald. Hi, Snake. Piggy, Brian, we have to tell you something. So do we. You do? We have to tell you how much fun we are having. So much fun. We have been playing the best friend games. Best friend games? It's best friend fun. Best friend's fun. We even made best friend drawings. Best friend drawings. It's worse than we feared. Oh, we are doomed. Do you want to see our drawings? I must cover my eyes. I cannot cover my eyes. Ta-da! Oh, look, what did they draw? Peggy drew Elephant Gerald, and Brian Bat drew Snake. You made drawings of us? Of course. You are our best friends. What did you have to tell us? Have fun with your new friend. Oh, that was nice. All right, my friends, that's all for now. Goodbye.